Now let us obtain an expression for moment of inertia of a thin uniform disk about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane. Consider a thin uniform disk of mass m. Thin means क्या? तो यहाँ पे उसका thickness जो है it is negligible. This disk is of radius r and rotating about an axis passing through its center perpendicular to its plane. In this figure you can clearly see this is disk of mass m. R is the radius of the disk and it is rotating about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane. Now for better understanding consider करो कि ये डिस्क है and now axis कैसे पास हो रहा है perpendicular to its plane and passing through the center, and about this axis we want to find moment of inertia. Now this disk is uniform object, so हम लोग consider कर सकते हैं कि it is made up of very large number of concentric rings and the radius of these rings may vary from 0 to r, that is up to radius of the disk. Now in this figure we are going to consider one such a ring of mass dm and of width dr. Now disk is two-dimensional circular object, so here we are going to consider its surface mass density. Let sigma be the surface mass density of the disk, that is mass per unit area. So we can write therefore sigma is equal to mass of the disk upon area of the disk, which is equal to m upon pi r square. Let this be equation 1. Let dA be the area of this ring, is equal to length into width of the ring, which is equal to 2 pi r dr. Small r we have considered radius of that ring. Let this be equation 2. Therefore mass of the elemental ring can be written as dm is equal to sigma into dA. Substitute from equation 1 and 2 and we get mass of the elemental ring is equal to 2m small r dr upon r square. Let this be equation 3. Now we will obtain moment of inertia of this elemental ring first. So moment of inertia of elemental ring about axis AB is di is equal to dm into r square, where dm is mass of the ring and r is the perpendicular distance of mass of the ring from the axis of rotation. Substitute value of dm from equation 3 and we get di is equal to 2m small r cube dr upon r square. Let this be equation 4. Therefore moment of inertia of the disk about the same axis AB is given by I is equal to integration of dr. Now substitute value from equation 4. Therefore I is equal to integration of 2m small r cube dr upon r square, where value of small r ranges from 0 to capital R. 2m upon r square are constant values, so take them out of integration and we get, now apply formula of integration and we get integration of r cube dr is r raised to 4 upon 4. So simplifying we get I is equal to mr square upon 2. This is the expression for moment of inertia of a thin uniform disk about an axis passing through its center and perpendicular to its plane.